In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a free newspaper and magazine blog website using WordPress, all integrated with Google Adsense. And we'll do this in just about 5 minutes. So, let's dive right in and get started on building your blog. First off, open your web browser and head on over to WordPress.com. This is where everything will begin. Once you're on the home page, you'll see the option to log in. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. If not, you'll need to sign up and create your account. It's straightforward, and WordPress guides you through every step of the way. After logging in, you'll be directed to your WordPress dashboard, the central hub for all things related to your website. This is where you'll manage the settings, themes, and plugins for your blog. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if this is your first time here. Everything you need is usually found in the left-hand sidebar. Next up, click on Appearance in the sidebar. This is an important step because it allows you to customize the look and feel of your site. WordPress offers a variety of themes to choose from. Some are free, while others may require payment. We're focusing on free options here. Once inside the Appearance section, use the search bar to type in News Up. This theme is specifically designed for news and magazine-style blogs, offering the functionality and aesthetic that fit what we're aiming for perfectly. When you find it, click on Install and then Activate to apply this theme to your site. With the theme activated, you now have a basic structure for your blog. However, selecting the right theme is just the start. You'll want to customize it to reflect your style and preferences. Head back to the dashboard and click on Customize under the Appearance section. Here you can tweak colors, fonts, and header images to fit your brand or personal taste. Spend a few minutes exploring these customization options to make the blog truly yours. Now is the time to edit the theme. You can add new widgets to the sidebar or footer, integrate social media links, and even set up menus that will help your readers navigate your site easily. The goal here is to create an inviting, user-friendly interface that encourages visitors to stay and read. Before wrapping up, don't forget about the integration with Google Adsense. Although this step isn't detailed here, setting up an AdSense account and linking it to your blog can help generate income from your content through ads. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've set up a free newspaper and magazine-style blog on WordPress. Play around with the customization options and add your content to get up and running. Thanks for watching. Feel free to leave your comments below if you have any questions or would like to share your success with setting up your blog. Happy blogging!